So, long story short, if you change the battery of your Garmin Vivoactive 3 but it still doesn't hold, then most likely this is the thing that ruins the life of your battery. It is altimeter or barometer. So if you, like me, don't use it a lot in your trainings, then you probably could just remove it. It is located inside the watch, close to the connector of the battery. If you would need this sensor to let your watch know the elevation for your trainings, then you would need to resolder this thing back to the PCB and place it back. I found this information on one of the forums, and I just don't know whether people reading forums right now or not, so I just wanted to make this video in order to everyone knew what could be the problem of the battery if you changed it to the new, but it's still like a couple of days of work, not more. Right now, actually, as you can see, I removed it and it's like it's fourth day and it is 83%. Usually it was like 2 days of work and the battery was 0%. So I just tested it. As you can see, I just like temporarily glue it together with the duct tape or scotch. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue the, so basically when I removed it, there remained a hole here, like inside the watch. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to remove this plate in order to glue the hole which remained after I removed this sensor, and after that I'm going to glue it together back. So I'm going to use this kind of glue, which is very good if there are chances that you would need to unglue it, like open the watch again after a while. I'm testing this glue on this thing, and it seems like it holds sort of, but then you just can open. Usually they use this glue for gluing screens of the smartphones or laptops or something like this. So yeah, it is a mess. So here it is. So basically I cleaned this plate as well as the body of the watch, so it's time to glue it back together. This is the place where the sensor was, so I already glued it from the inside. Right now I'm going to glue it from the outside to make it even better. So you should be careful probably with this thing. This should be in direct contact with this plate in order to watch to work properly. So I'm going to glue it. This glue is very good in terms of application, because it has little needle in it, so you can place it very precisely. When you place this glue on the both sides, you have to wait for 5 minutes, and only after that you should make them together. I put the glue on both sides, on the lid and the body itself, and also only on one side. This part, this plate stays clear. So, and 5 minutes already passed. Let's see if yeah, it goes okay. So yeah, hopefully it will be fine. And this part, no, wrong side. Okay. So yeah, it is quite a mess, actually. So I'll leave it like this for 12 hours probably, and hopefully it will work okay. So 12 hours passed. Let's see what we've got. I'll remove this remains of the glue, and yeah, I think it's pretty good. Let's see if it works. So everything is okay, and I'll post in the comments how long does the battery live right now when I removed the sensor. So now it's exactly 9 days since I fully charged it, and as you can see, it's 14% of battery left, so it's more or less the same as it was when I bought it. And yeah, just so you know, I didn't do any GPS trainings, so this is only like notifications and step counter, and also pulse counter.